All right, if we want to derive this implicitly, let's derive each piece where they're at. So e to the x is this e to the u prime. So this is going to be e to the x plus y. And you derive the top, which would be 1 plus y prime. So that's the first piece. The second piece, we're going to derive this where it's at. So that right there is going to be a product rule. So it would be 1 y squared plus x 2 y prime. So the product rule of this, don't forget the minus is going to go to both pieces. Derive, leave, derive. Equals, well, ln of u is u prime over u. So it's going to be y prime, which is the u, over u, which is y. There we are. We can now try to get the y prime by itself. So to do that, what it looks like we have to do first is we're going to have to distribute this guy and get e x plus y, we need to multiply by 1, plus y prime e to the x plus y. And then I'm actually going to distribute the negative here, so be careful about that. So it looks like we have y squared minus 2xy y prime equals y prime over y. Our next step is to get y prime. Well, this is kind of ugly. You want to get y prime? Let's move it all over here. Is that okay? Doesn't matter which side. So we have e to the x plus y, and then minus y squared is equal to y prime over y plus 2xy y prime minus this one, which is y prime e to the x plus y. Now we want to get the y primes out of all this. So we got y prime, it looks like we have 1 over y plus 2xy minus e x plus y equals this. Now I can see how this could get ugly if we want, when we're going to divide this over. So I see here I'm going to get y prime equals, I'm going to flip-flop sides. This is the top, e to the x plus y minus y squared over 1 over y plus 2xy minus e to the x plus y. Now that probably could be a decent answer, but we can do a little bit more. I'm going to keep going just to practice some. Let's get a common. This y. I don't like having that fraction there. So that probably would be a somewhat reasonable answer. But watch this. We have e to the x plus y minus y squared. This is going to be a 1. And the bottom is going to be y. So when I multiply this by y, doesn't that become 2xy squared? Multiply this by y, that's going to be a minus y e to the x plus y, which I'm running out of space here. It's the y down there. Just realize that. And from there, what we're going to do is when you divide, it's going to flip. So your answer simply looks like the y is going to go on top, e to the x plus y minus y squared. And the bottom is going to be the 1 plus 2xy squared minus y e to the x plus y. That looks like what the answer would be. Again, right here would probably be reasonable. Like this, we get it all a little bit better. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes anywhere.